Hi, I'm attorney Caitlin Parker with One Accord Legal LLC, and today I want to give you a couple of tips when you're hiring a divorce attorney. So, divorces are a very personal aspect of the law. They involve your kids, how much time you're going to be getting with them, how you're splitting up property. And so, it's really important that you have a good working relationship and you trust the attorney that you hire. And so, a couple of things to think about. First is the attorney's philosophy. Some clients really want an aggressive litigator who's going to be a bulldog, who's going to go into court and fight and win. And other clients come into my office saying, I'm worried if I hire an attorney that is going to turn into a legal battle that I don't want. And so knowing what type of divorce you want to have, sometimes it's not completely in your control. It does depend on how your ex reacts as well. But are you wanting to take a more measured approach, negotiate and things like that? Or are you wanting the litigation route? And the reason for that is every attorney has what they are really good at and then something that they can do, but maybe they don't enjoy doing. So if I have a client who comes into my office and I can tell that they're looking for that really aggressive, file lots of motions, go to court, I will generally refer them to someone else or suggest that they talk to other attorneys because I know that at the end of the day, that's not my style. And they're going to be happier with an attorney who fits that style. Secondly, I want you to pay attention in the consultation to the communication between you and the attorney. Do you understand their answers? Are they full of legal jargon? When you ask questions, do you feel like the attorney is understanding what you're asking and giving you an answer? It may not be the answer that you want, but are you understanding the question? You're going to be doing lots of communicating with your attorney during the course of your divorce. And so it's really important to make sure that you guys are on the same page and communicate well together. And then lastly, I just recommend that you check in and see, is this the attorney I'll be working with? Is the paralegal your main point of contact? Who should you get in touch with if you have questions? Sometimes in larger firms, there will be multiple attorneys that handle cases, and so you may have some crossover there. So just check and see who it is that you'll be working with and make sure that you mesh well with that person. For more tips, please check out my blog post below. And if you have more questions, I'm always here to help.